find the area of the shaded part over here. Okay, so remember what I told you about the formula of the triangle is half times base times perpendicular height, correct? Now, we have our perpendicular height is given over here. You see this 12? This line 12 is perpendicular to my base, which is this 9 cm. Okay, can I use 13? No, I can't, because it's 13 perpendicular to this 9 cm. No, it's not. It is a slanted height. Okay, so I'm going to rotate it to make it easier for you all to see. Now, just take a look at this. 13 is obviously slanted compared to 9, right? Whereas for 12, it is perpendicular to 9. So, if you remember what I taught you previously, right? You all cannot use 13 because it's slanted. You all can only use 12 if it's perpendicular. See, there's a right angle. Okay, so you have to take 12 multiplied by 9. Some students will go and take 12 multiplied by 9 plus 5. Now I'm going to ask you a question. They're asking for shaded area, right? Is 5 part of the shaded area? It's not. It's actually the unshaded area. So you only can use 9 because only 9 is part of the shaded area. So remember the few criteria. You must be able to use a perpendicular height and not a slanted height. Secondly, the base must only be part of the shaded portion, or at least the portion that you want to find. It cannot include the part that is not part of what you want to find. So in this case, this is non-shaded, so you cannot use this 5. You only can use this 9. Therefore, it will be 12 multiplied by 9, and that will give us half times your base, which is 9, times your perpendicular height over here. Okay, so let's go ahead and do it. So it's 12 multiplied, half multiplied by your base, which is 9, multiplied by your perpendicular height, which is 12. So if you throw that inside a calculator, you're going to get 54 cm squared. And that's actually how you're going to get the answer. Okay, congratulations, you have come to the last part of this level 2 triangle. Perhaps there are going to be more videos coming up in the near future. Just that as of now, I think this entire range of videos have showed your different questions that will come up for your examination. And these are the kind of questions that I handpicked because they are commonly found in the examination paper. So I think they'll be very useful for you. So congratulations. If you're ready, you can just go on to the level 3 portion. It does not mean that, okay, level 3 was created for primary 6 and primary 6 who are taking their prelim papers and then their PSLE papers as well. It does not mean that you're primary 5, you don't need to, you can just ignore the level 3. In fact, I have actually seen primary 5 papers, right, that include questions from level 3 as well. Okay, so it'll be good for you to just take a look at it and then go through my video, or at least attempt it before you watch my video. That will be a fantastic way to use all the video creation. Alright, done.